In this tutorial, we will show you how to download and understand your BBD invoice. From your company dashboard, you can view a quick financial snapshot. The snapshot displays the previous month charges, with an option to download prior invoice. The snapshot also displays current month charges, again with an option to download the current invoice. Click on either of these buttons to download the corresponding invoice. You can also see the balance now due, as well as prior payments and any outstanding amount. You can also go to the Invoices and Reports tab to download your invoice or prior invoices. Click the Run button beside Invoices. Select the month for the invoice you wish to download and click the Run button. The progress of the report will display at the bottom of the screen. Depending on how your computer is set up, you may have to go to your Downloads folder. In most cases, though, the download will appear at the bottom of the screen. Once complete, click the Download button. Let's go over each field under the Payment Information on page 1 of the invoice. Under the Previous Statement heading, you will see the opening balance. This is the total amount of premiums that was owed the previous month. Payments will show the amount we received for payment of the previous month. Balance forward. If you had an outstanding balance from the previous month, the amount would be shown here. Under the Current Statement heading, you will see Current Month Premiums. This is the total amount of premiums owed for the upcoming first of the month. Any subsequent lines will show any applicable taxes. For example, the invoice will calculate GST, as well as the different provincial sales tax. If any are applicable, they will be shown here. Current month charges. This is the total premiums plus the total taxes. PAD to be applied. If you have pre-authorized debit, PAD, with us, this is the amount we will withdraw on the first of the month. For example, we will issue the June invoice in mid-May, and therefore June premiums are due June 1st. Balance due. For groups with PAD, this reflects $0 because it is assuming that we will be able to pull the funds electronically and there will not be an amount owing going forward. Please remember, this does not mean we will not be charging you. If you do not have PAD set up with us, the PAD to be applied will not be on your invoice. The balance due amount for groups without a PAD will reflect the current month charges, unless there is an overdue amount, in which case the balance now due will reflect the current month charges plus the overdue amount. That concludes the Downloading and Understanding Your Invoices Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.